State Master Councilor Christian Lee Coleman. Brother Installing Officer, I present to you and through you to everyone here assembled these brothers who have been elected by the DeMolays of the state of Texas to various positions of leadership. They now appear before you to be installed in their respective offices.
My brothers, you are the chosen, your first and
but it also has many responsibilities. You will be called upon frequently to perform tasks which will not only be a strain on your physically and mentally, but a strain upon your patience. The success of the state will depend upon your cooperation as it does all state officers. But by virtue of being a state councilor, you must remember that your duties to each DeMolay and to the constituent chapters of the state. Do you accept the duties of state junior councilor?
I do.
Brother Copenhagen, your station is in the south, symbolic of the meridian sun and the noon of life. Now it becomes my pleasure to invest you with the collar of your office. Sergeant Marshal, you will escort the state senior councilor elect to the altar for his installation when he will be installed.
Brother Installing Officer, I take great pleasure in presenting to you and through you to everyone assembled, Brother Christian Lee Coleman, who has been elected by the DeMolays of Texas to the most honorable position of State Master Councilor for the ensuing term.
Brother Coleman, you have been elected by the DeMolays of Texas to serve them as their 92nd State Master Councilor. This is a reflection of your years of dedicated service to the order, as well as its members' confidence in your ability to lead this jurisdiction successfully. Being State Master Councilor is the highest office and honor available to a Texas DeMolay, but you must remember that you cannot succeed without the aid and assistance of your brethren. This is especially true of one in the position of leadership. You may be the leader of all of Texas DeMolay, yet the power, authority, and success you will possess is only as great as the support that the members give you. Before being installed in office, we must hear from you a public declaration. Are you ready to assume those duties, responsibilities, challenges, and to take the oath of office?